to you, Kritika, once again. Please tell us a little bit about Sheffield.
Thank you so much, Devesh. So the University of Sheffield, it's a world top 100 Russell Group university. We are ranked 17th in the UK and 95th in the world. We are a part of the prestigious Russell Group, and only 24 universities make a part of it. It's like the Ivy Leagues of the US. We are top 50 most international universities in the world, which translates to the fact that we cater to over 150 nationalities. Every year, the University of Sheffield gets 30,000 students, out of which 10,000 are international students. So it's a very mixed cultural background that you get, and very culturally diverse university. You don't get a very Indian crowd, you don't get a very African crowd, a very Asian crowd. It's a perfect mix of that. And I think that's one of the major reasons why students also prefer going abroad, because they want to get that regional mix and cultural mix. We are Triple Crown accredited for our management school by AACSB, EQUIS, and AMBA, which means that any student who graduates from our management school gets a recognition throughout the world. Our law courses, like our LLB course, is Bar Council of India accredited. So if the student once completes their degree with the University of Sheffield, they can also come back to India and work as a barrister, as a lawyer. And we are also Medical Council of India accredited and Chartered and Council of Architecture accredited for India. You can also come back to India after completing their PR with the University of Sheffield and practice as an architect. In the University of Sheffield, we have 6 Nobel laureates across physics and chemistry, and 1 in English. We are #1 in North of England for our graduate prospects, which means that 96% of our graduates end up going into further studies or work within 6 months of completing their studies. As I said, we cater to over 9,000 international students from 150 countries. We are also one of the most affordable student cities in the UK, according to the latest survey from NatWest. We are also one of the greenest cities in Europe. We have, like, for every one student, there are 4 trees. So we are one of the most greenest cities in Europe. We're also only university to share our boundaries with the Peak District National Park. So if a student is interested in sports activities, hiking, or camping, it's a perfect place because it's just a 20 minutes walk from the campus. We are situated right in the heart of England. We are in south of Yorkshire, about a 45 minutes drive from Manchester International Airport and about 2 hours train ride from London. Manchester International Airport is also where we conduct our meet and greet services. For the 2021 intake students, obviously we couldn't do it because of COVID, but further on, we also provide like the bus service to and from Sheffield from Manchester International Airport. So that's also there for us. We have an India-specific Instagram page. The barcode is on your screen. So if you would like to follow us, you get all of the India-specific details, any events that the team is doing, or the campus life, the student life, the testimonials. A lot of things are done on a daily basis on that page. So please do follow us.
Fantastic. Thanks for that very quick overview, Kritika. Let's just go through a few questions which have come in, and then we can just wrap this session #1. So can you just explain very briefly what is the difference between extra and clearing?
Yeah, so extra is when, like, the student has not received any has not received any offers, or has not applied to any offers, or has applied to an offer but does not want to go, has applied to a university but does not want to accept that offer. That's when they go for an extra. Or they have applied for all the 5 universities. Obviously, you can just apply for 5 at once. This will be your 6th choice if you do not accept any of the 5 offers, or you have been rejected for all of the 5 ones. That's when you apply for the extra. The clearing is when you have been unable to meet the conditions for any of the offers that have been made, or you wish to apply for a 6th university altogether that you did not apply earlier. That's when you go for clearing.
Okay, superb. How can the schools send their predicted grades to the universities? Is there a portal within UCAS, or how does that work?
Yeah, so it is a section that's where you upload that particular document for your credit scores
So
through UK Assembly.
the counselors can upload that, or the students can upload it themselves?
So if a counselor is making the student's application, then of course they can upload it. Otherwise, if the student has the access to the portal, then they can also.
All right, perfect. Okay, I think uh, that's about the questions that we had to discuss. Yeah. All right. That's where we'll stop this session. So thank you so much, Kritika, for being here and for sharing all that information. It was a pleasure having you here, and thanks for sharing also briefly about the University of Sheffield. It was pleasure learning about your university as well.
Thank you so much, Dinesh. And thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you.